Guys, tell me what you're doing. Hey guys, my name's Joel Seymour from Clifton Hogan EZ Street, and here we're with our friends at Blacktown Council. We're just running around doing some patch repair work just down at a local park. You're talking about 15 seconds for a pothole.
We prefer to use EZ Street because we found that it stays in our life. We go and throw it straight to holes full of water and still get the work done at the stage.
Yep.
And then we're not having to worry about emulsion or what's going off. We can just continue to use it on the cities, put it back in our bay, and then
continue that mess. And once it gets feed in there, it rolls out easier now. It's easy to use. It just rolls out nice. You can buy it at our Minto depot. You can buy it in bulk bag, bulk loose, 20 kilogram bags, 15 kilogram bags, and 20 kilogram buckets. Come on down. All right, can I do some work?
It's not cold mix, it's ambient.